Mm-hmm. Yes, they already know te. I know too, but I'm lucky I got a new shoes. Oh, di gid ka mo survive. Mga taga diri gid na. Yes. Pero mas kuha nilang lungs kaysa ako Anod naman na sila. Ako tang gipaningot naga. We never have it in America. We've done hiking too, but oh man, the next day my legs shaking and it was so sore.
But this is the price what you have to pay when you like to see anything.
It's okay though. It's healthy for you. And it's beautiful. It's worth it. What's that little like a wheel? What is in there? Guardhouse, yeah. Wow, that's amazing, like how they built this long time ago. That's what I'm there. That's always because back in the day, there's no, diba? This is hard work. And then it stands forever and ever. Yan yung ano, that's why you appreciate it because, diba? Ano yung mga, ano talaga mano-mano, diba? Exact. Oh, look at the head. Diba? Diba? That's what amazes me because back in the day, we're just talking, Auntie Elena, they don't have the greatest technology or transportation, but they make it. Yeah. It's amazing engineering already, yeah. And then it stands for many years. Yeah.
Not 3, 4, 500.
Mano-mano. We call it mano-mano. It's like, that's a lot of hard work, you know, and it's very detailed.
This is what you see here.
Yeah.
You can see a lot in Germany.
Yeah. Huh? I know, that too.
Where nails.
Exactly. It stands through.